As a woman, my capabilities have always been undermined. It is unfair for women to be underrated and treated as second best. Society often confuses confidence in men with competence. I wish we can all appreciate that women are not in this world by favor, but we are all entitled to it. Therefore, men are encouraged to see women as equals as opposed to rivals. I always teach my children that the sky is the limit for everyone, irrespective of gender. My greatest wish is to see a future where the ground is leveled for women and they command the same respect as men, especially in the corporate world.